Polsky, did you invite your friend over for breakfast? Car looks much more like how we left it today. Oh, so strange to see it now with no snow. Polsky, come here. Now where you can see over there the lifts and the stuff. So this is the slope. Well, this is the first slope that Marie went on. I went on that little one, but this is the first slope we both went on, first proper one. So weird. This is the spot where I was parked in the summer. Where's that sun gone? Need a bit of that today. It's flipping cold. Hey! How you doing?
Oh, Snowballs.
Hello.
Boss, stay. Need to get my shoes. Stay there. I've got to say hello before I park the car.
How you doing?
Hello, I'm really good. How are you? Thank you, Bubble. I got a kiss. Hey, hello, Bubble. Hello, my angel. Hello. Can you see your friend Blaze? Wait. Can you see Blaze? Oh my god, is that your friend Blaze? Yes, it is. Oh my god, that is your friend Blaze.
Come on then. Into the... Bossy, what are you doing?
Daddy! Oh.
Boss. Are you alright?
Oh, I'm cold. I'm so cold. Are you cold?
What?
You?
Boss, come here.
Oh no, look at all the Oh my god.
That shit is pretty slow.
Bosky.
That's me going, let's sit outside. I think we'll be alright. Well, I don't know. See how we feel. Do you want to see Brooksy?
Are you ready to see your friend? Where is he?
I'm going to lift you.
Oh my god, look who it is, Bigolina! Steady.
Hello,
He's
big
a bit,
boy.
he's a bit hoppy. Steady. Bosky, go see Blaze. Take it steady. That bugger. Why? Take it steady, Bobby.
I don't know if we are going to be warm enough sat outside.
I'm quite cold.
It's a bit chilly.
Thank you.
I better sit. Oh,
I've got Blazy out there.
oh, why not? Come on. Should we die hard? I've got a
Yeah.
blanket.
Yeah.
Come on. So I can sit on it.
How's your little leg? You take it easy. He was doing really well. And then I walked him yesterday and he got his ball and he literally dropped his ball in front of him and a guy went and he went to run and then he went, oh, I think I'll walk it. And I think he's a bit more tender on it, but he's not too bad, but he's done his cruciate ligament. You can see his back left. He's just not waiting on it. But he'll get there.
Cold thing. It's induced health induced.
Oh.
You get warm after. I feel like that. You could bug off back to Chamonix now. We've had enough of you. Have you got your pastries?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. I don't know what we got.
You've got pain raisin,
What is?
croix de Savoie,
What is?
and you'll see. I nearly put English translation when I
Looks
texted
nice.
you, and I thought, no, you'll think I'm taking
What
the
is?
piss.
I don't know, but
Welcome to Chamonix Cakes.
We love welcome to Chamonix Cakes, don't we?
bit of
Oh,
everything.
get
I think.
wrecked. No, stand. You can't
You
sit
tackle
down.
half of that first.
Okay.
It was -1 last night.
-1.
Mm.
Oh, wow. You can tell he's not walking right.
Yeah.
Lay steady. Steady.
This is the right one, is it?
Yeah. It was.
Just jump in the little pool and sort it out.
We're just going to think of it shut out.
Folks, we are going for a little adventure in the blue van. Gonna go down to the Scouts thing. Something to do on a Saturday. No, I just moved my van up here to the ski thing because on the corner of that building here there is a webcam, live webcam, which means I'll be able to look at my van and make sure it's still here. Alrighty. Hey Bob.
Yeah, if ever you're unsure. So we used the lack of start when we were on our way back. It's a real shame. That was how long we were
Oh, Sunday.
Warm now.
I don't know if I need this coat on as well.
I know, me neither.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Why are they running?
So I've got one at home. Oh, what's that?
It's like Black Friday sales, isn't it? When people are running in. Oh, quite looking there.
Must be a special one.
Hi everyone, it's me. So we're at Scouts. Whenever we come to Scouts, we always buy stupid stuff, you know, things we don't really need. Ash has taken the first plunge. Sorry, I'm just telling the folks. Let's buy some rollerblades.
Somebody didn't let me bring my skateboard, remember? That I wanted to learn.
Bought it.
Yeah,
Where's it
remember?
going to live?
You don't need that.
You need some footage.
Let's see how much they are.
I reckon I'll be about 10.
Mate, they're well cool. They're probably a shit brand, but... What on earth is that?
Oh, deck chair. It's a chair. This is nice. Details.
Confused. I've had a little bit of water.
Bob. I want a drink.
I want some of that, please.
You can have some.
I want some. Look at you, you're so funny.
Look in front.
Is it not got really cold ass? Oh my god, what the heck? Why?
Seriously.
Say.
de Grenier, 28th April. Is that today? When's the 28th?
Tomorrow.
Oh, is it?
There you go.
That might be worth coming to. Marie, we might get you to buy a dress.
What?
A dress. At the Vert de Grenier. Vert de Grenier is car boot in French.
The folks didn't say we were really back until Winter Super U, so tick.
Oh, really? Really?
Yeah.
Oh. All the cars are slowing down. Can a good look. It takes me a while to work out if it's real. And then when you look at it, it's real. It's like, that's a house.
Oh, I might nip to the loo while I'm here.
Oh, yeah. And if it's still cheap. Oh mate, €24.
Ian put on our list, buy alcohol for Marie and Ash. He put that on the shopping list because you two can drink. He came back and he went, I saw the booze go, and I went, Ash and Marie have been working. And he went, I don't follow, they've been working. Where's all the booze gone? Whoops, guilty. So he's put on the list, literally buy booze for Ash and Marie. It's on the list. Yes. Thank you.
This is where you get the £1.40 champagne. You out? Huh?
Don't know.
I got one York.
£1.29. Oh, I'll get a bottle of that then. Seriously, that's ridiculous.
Now she's happy.
Always happy.
Santa Million.
I don't even know what is in the handle on that. Oh, this is the rum cake.
Close me in.
Marie, you having rum cake, chocolate cake?
Rum cake.
Well, I want some of the chocolate as well.
Chocolate?
Tuna cake. Let's try.
Can you try this chocolate one?
I mean,
Tastes like sardines to me.
tastes like fish.
It's a bit funky, but
I never thought that'd be a thing.
What's the tuna cake like? Is it nice?
alright. Bit funky.
Is it sweet though?
No, it's just cake with tuna in it.
Yeah, different.
Not sure who came up with that. Not sure who came up with that. Is that like, maybe that's like a French thing.
Come on then.
What? It's open.
Oh, where's mine?
Use the cake.
I don't care. Give me a chocolate.
She's still there.
Amazing, Mo. I promise you, we are literally a hair's breadth.
Man's still here waiting for me. Heading back up to the spot for another night. Just moved the van into the main car park so I knew it was safe and it could be seen by people. No snow up here now.
Oh, because it's not as muddy.
Yeah. Hey, you Bob.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
We all fit in.
Oh, apparently they're all over one.
So, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you just exchange it and it's good, isn't it?
So how come your van stays warm? Oh, you've dropped your tea towel.
Just for the insulation, I guess.
Alright. I think that's probably held the warmth more. Oh, well maybe not, I don't know. Oh, we're going boot. This is so much bigger, I can't get over it. Welcome,
Cheers.
Shani!
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers!
Yay.
There we go.
Cheers, PPLs.
That tastes like Christmas.
Oh my god, that's pretty good. That's really nice.
Like carrying a bear. Bloody hell. That's hilarious. There you go. Bolski's on his new bed. You like it? sign off a clock.
Au revoir.
Alright, see you all in a bit.